Hello, everyone, and welcome to Welcome English.
We are so happy you are here. My name is Avery.
And my name is Eden. This is a special podcast for English beginners.
That's right. We know learning English can be difficult, but we are here to help you.
Today, we have a very important topic, English for your first days in a new country.
Arriving in a new place is exciting, but it can also be a little scary if you don't know the language.
Exactly. So today, we will teach you some very simple, very useful phrases to help you feel confident.
We will talk about 4 things. First, simple greetings.
Second, how to ask for directions.
Third, how to order food.
And fourth, how to ask for help when you need it.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Okay, let's start with the basics. Greetings. This is how you say hello to people.
The easiest word is hello.
Yes, let's say it together. Hello.
Hello and hi are good for any time of day, but there are also special greetings for different times.
In the morning, you can say good morning.
In the afternoon, you say good afternoon.
And in the evening, good evening.
Right. Let's practice. Imagine it's 9 a.m. What do you say, Avery?
Good morning.
Perfect. Now, after you say hello, someone might ask you, how are you?
This is a very common question. How are you?
A simple and good answer is, I'm good, thank you. Or, I'm fine, thanks.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. See, it's a small conversation.
It is. And one more important thing, telling someone your name.
My name is Avery.
Let's put it all together, a small role play. I will start.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Eden. How are you?
Hi, Eden. I'm good, thank you. My name is Avery.
Nice to meet you, Avery.
Nice to meet you too.
That was great. Listeners, you can practice this at home. Just saying hello and your name is a big step.
That was a formal but very good conversation. In day-to-day life, you might hear more casual greetings.
That's a great point, Avery. For example, a friend might not say, how are you? They might say, what's up? Or how's it going?
Okay, our next topic is asking for directions. When you are in a new city, you will get lost. It's okay.
Yes, it happens to everyone. The important thing is knowing how to ask for help.
Right. First, to get someone's attention, you should say, excuse me. This is a very polite and useful phrase.
Excuse me, so let's repeat, excuse me.
Exactly. After that, you can ask your question. The most useful question is, where is the...
For example, excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Or, excuse me, where is the train station?
Where is the supermarket?
You can use where is the for almost any place. It's so useful. So let's repeat, where is the?
Now, the answer might be simple. Someone might point and say, it's there.
Or they might use simple words like left, right, or straight.
Left, right.
And straight. That means you keep going forward.
So if someone says, go straight, then turn left, you know what to do.
Yes, even if you only understand the left or right, it helps.
It does. Let's do a role play. Avery, you are lost in a new city. I am a person on the street.
Okay, excuse me.
Yes?
Where is the supermarket?
The supermarket. Go straight and it's on the right.
Straight right. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
See? Very simple. And always remember to say,
Thank you.
Yes, being polite is very important. Thank you is a magical phrase. Let's repeat, thank you.
Okay, next up is something everyone loves to do. Eat. Let's talk about ordering food.
this can feel scary, but it can be very simple. First, you are in a cafe or restaurant. You need the menu.
Right. If you don't have one, you can ask, "Can I have a menu, please?"
Then, when you are ready to order, you can get the waiter's attention by saying,
"Excuse me."
There it is again, so useful.
It really is. Now for ordering. The most polite way is to say, "I would like."
I would like a toffee and a sandwich.
If that feels too long, you can say, "Can I have?"
Can I have a coffee, please?
And if you are still nervous or you don't know the word, you can point at the menu and say, "This one, please."
That is a great tip, Eden. Pointing is okay. Just be sure to say please.
Exactly. This one, please. It works every time. Let's repeat, this one, please.
Let's practice. I'm the waiter this time.
Okay. Excuse me.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, can I have a pizza, please?
Okay, 1 pizza. Anything to drink?
Water, please.
1 pizza and 1 water. Coming right up.
Thank you.
Great job. Now you have finished your meal. It was delicious. You need to pay.
Right. In America, you ask for the check. You can say, check, please.
In the UK and many other places, you ask for the bill. The bill, please.
Both work. People will understand you.
Okay, we are at our last section. This one is maybe the most important. How to ask for help.
Yes, sometimes things are confusing. You might not understand what someone is saying. That is completely normal.
Absolutely. Don't feel bad. The first step is to get attention. We know this one.
Excuse me.
And then you can say, can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please? This shows you need assistance. Most people will be happy to help.
Now, what if they start talking very fast and you don't understand?
A very important phrase is, I don't understand.
I don't understand. It is honest and clear. Let's all repeat, I don't understand.
After you say that, you can ask them to slow down. You can say, can you speak slowly, please?
Speak slowly, please. Let's say that together. Can you speak slowly, please?
This is so helpful. People often forget to speak slowly when talking to a learner. This is a polite way to remind them.
So let's review those key phrases for help.
Can you help me, please?
I don't understand.
Can you speak slowly, please?
With these 3 phrases, you can handle almost any difficult situation. Remember, it's okay to ask for help.
And that brings us to the end of our lesson today.
Wow, that went by fast. We covered a lot of useful English today.
We did. Let's do a very quick recap. What was our first topic?
Greetings. Remember the simple word hello.
Perfect. And our second topic was asking for directions. A key phrase was,
Where is the? Like, where is the bathroom?
exactly. Then we learned how to order food. What's an easy way to order, Avery?
Just point and say, this one, please.
The perfect beginner phrase. And finally, we learned how to ask for help. What do you say if you don't understand?
You say, I don't understand. Can you speak slowly, please?
That's it. You have learned so much today. We are so proud of you.
Remember, the most important thing is to try. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward.
That's so true. Practice these phrases. Say them out loud. The more you use them, the easier they will become.
Thank you so much for listening to Welcome English.
We hope this helps you on your first few days in a new country. Please subscribe to our channel for more lessons.
Until next time, goodbye.
Bye, everyone.